think ESIL really focuses on building the angel marketplace across different countries and make sure that we also foster cross-border collaboration between the developed markets. We are in the EU. How do we make sure that when we as an angel finance a company in a country, they can find the path to growth in a different country? And we have found that actually business angel groups are very good ways to accelerate the development of companies across Europe. If I have invested in a company in Belgium and I know very well some angels in Greece, I can say, look, I've invested in this company, they're going to the Greek market, can you look at them, see if you can help them find distributors for their product, and or they're looking for financing to expand into Greece, would you like to do your own due diligence and see if it's interesting.
What ESIL will bring to the business angel community is a pool of different opportunities. By that, we are talking about a possibility to increase their knowledge into the early stage financing world. It will also bring the opportunity to connect with other business angels across the European Union, but also associated countries of Horizon 2020, the EU program for research and innovation. And last but not least, it will give the opportunity to those business angels to have an option to invest in startups and innovative SMEs across the EU. By that we mean that ESIL will provide a deal flow of companies that emerge from the project, but also from other EU and national activities supporting innovative SMEs, startups, and other type of companies that seek this type of finance.
Now there's another level of collaboration which is supported by the ESIL project and by the BAE Club, which is the exchange of experiences between angel group managers. So this is really going to be a core focus as well of the ESIL project, is train the trainers and how can we help people who want to set up angel groups know what are the good tips and tricks when you start an angel group, and when you are more experienced, how do you share with other peers the issues you have with recruiting entrepreneurs, recruiting investors, etc.
I think the most valuable element and feature that ESIL brings to the business angel community or the individual investors that want to start an investment plan in startups and scale-ups, it is the access to information. There is a lot that is changing in the marketplace. There are financial instruments that are better or less well known by individuals. All that is going to be accessible in ESIL. All that is already in the platform. You can read, you can get your monitoring, you can read across and get a 360-degree view of what the investment activity of a business angel requires and entails.
I think that what ESIL brings to the table is a vision of how each angel market could develop in the future, but also an open-mindedness as to how different countries will go about developing their own angel ecosystem. We have a tailor-made approach which is tailored to each and every country of the Horizon 2020 we are covering. Also, ESIL brings an amazing added value through the ESIL toolkit to the different actors in the market. It's basically a menu of everything you could have if you want to build or grow your angel ecosystem. You have outstanding training materials, you have outstanding access to trainers and speakers, you have access to the ESIL Academy, which gathers all of this content and material. And you also have, starting from now and in the future, the ESIL Open Days, the study visits. So I think what ESIL brings to the table is unprecedented level of collection of knowledge and expertise to the benefit of the underdeveloped and developing angel ecosystems across Europe.